So we house hunting again, even though we just moved. Now we want something bigger. But this house, how many bedrooms is in this one?
I think it's 4.
This is a 4-bedroom home. This is bathroom number 1. Real nice, real cute. Then you come over here and you have the first bedroom. I love the opening and windows in here. This is real cute. I love this huge mirror. Hold on, let me wipe my camera. Okay, there we go. Real nice, real cute. Small closet. And then this right here, front closet.
I like this office. Last window, this is what I wanted for
Which
the
one
house.
I want to? Hey, y'all can wait. Washer dryer. Because I had Trey. And then this right here is a huge office. Huge office. And I love the open doors. Like, this is huge. Then they got this mirror right here, which I like. So now we have the living room. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these lamps. Look at this kitchen. Brown cabinets. White top. Yeah. And then this is the pantry. And this is the dining room to the right. Oh, this is cute. To the right here, another bedroom downstairs. I guess this would be the first master bedroom. Ooh, I love those lamps. But this is the second bedroom downstairs. Then you have the bathroom. Here's her sink. Get into the shower, y'all. Get into the shower. Oh, this is nice. And I like that window up there. So now we have the toilet, which is cut off from the bathroom, and I like that. This big, huge closet. Let me show you guys the backyard. Oops. You guys, look at this backyard. Look at this. It has a pool, already built-in pool, table. Yeah, this is nice, and I like that they have this cut off in case, you know, kids get hurt or anything or decide to go in the water. So let's go upstairs. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh wow, really spacious up here. Real spacious. Guess this would be like the little second. Wow, this is really huge. This would be like the second little living room. I love how they decor this. This is huge. Let me stand in this corner so y'all can see. Like, this is huge up here. All right, so we come up here. Bathroom. What's this? Oh, the little water heater stuff. Oh, I gotta have this little area right here. Bedroom. Closet. Okay, so wait, this is a three bedroom? No, this was a 5-bedroom. I forgot those were turned into an office. Okay, so this is house number 2. Look at this office. I like this. Over here, bathroom. Love the green wall. Not really fond on it, but that's a half bathroom. Closets. What's this over here? Okay, so this will be the wash and dryer. Yeah, wash and dryer room. I love me a room, a wash and dryer room. Like, I need a wash and dryer room. Look at this kitchen, pantry. I love the countertops.
Next one is the bigger apartment.
The big one?
Bigger house, so we're going next door.
Okay. And this is bedroom number 1. I'm loving the gray and white. I actually got some ideas. I might need to change my room. Let me cut the light on. This is the shower, bathroom. Is her sink. Once again, I love that the toilet is cut off. That's the closet. And like a little closet. It's really nice. It's nice. I love the stairs. All right, another living room upstairs. Yellow, okay. Another living room. So this would be bedroom number 2. Oh, it's actually pretty spacious in here. Bedroom number 2 has their own bathroom, which I like. Small little closet, but you get the front view. Yeah, I'm out of breath. Alright, and over here, bathroom. I wish they had a his and her sink if these 2 rooms got to share. But bedroom number 3. And then bedroom number 4. Real cute. I gotta come downstairs. I forgot to show y'all the backyard. Alright. This is the backyard, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is really beautiful, y'all. I cannot wait. But this is how the backyard looks. Now let's go check out house number 3. This is house number 3. Their door is actually clear or glass. See? Kind of like that. But this is house number 3. This is bedroom number 1. It's a bit small, but they do have their own bathroom, which is not bad. And I love that the curtains go all the way up. I love that high ceiling curtains. Closet, walk-in closet, not a bad size. Not bad, not bad. What's this? Okay, another little front area closet. That's down this way. Ooh, okay. So this is the office. Real nice. I love this type of vibe. I love this. I can be sitting here working. Also, I got the TV. I like that. That's the garage. I love this little entryway piece. Look at this. That's nice. All right. So here is the dining room area. Let me back up so y'all can see everything. Here's the living room. The kitchen. Nice kitchen. I love an open space. Like, let me back up. I love how open it is. This is, it's a pantry. Okay, pantry. Love this kitchen. All right, let's go look outside. Cause y'all know I gotta go outside of every place. I love this. Okay, so this house don't have a pool, but they have golf where you can play a little golf side. No pool, but golfing. All right, let's check upstairs, y'all. Now let's go check upstairs. So far, 1 bedroom and an office. As we come upstairs, we go into bedroom number 2. Or I would say bedroom number 3 because you can turn the office into a bedroom. This is cute.
Trey knew he didn't come in his bedroom.
Oh, he didn't go in there? And this is, oh, I love this area. This is like the little secondary living room. This chill spot. And I love this mirror. That's different. I love the pop of green and brown. Never thought to do green and brown. Now I might. And this is bedroom number 3 or 4. Like I said, if you turn the office into a bedroom, but I will keep it an office because I need the office. This is nice. And do they got their own bathroom? Yes. Wow. You guys, look at this. Toilet. Okay. I like the other shower and the other one though. What is this? Okay, another linen closet. Look how big this closet is, y'all. I could do some things with this closet with my wardrobe. This is nice. All right, so now we go across because there's 2 more bedrooms. Bedroom, I don't know because I lost count. This is nice too, a little cozy. They have their own bathroom, which I like. Small little closet. I love this little green chair. As we come out, this is, oh, okay, the washer and dryer is upstairs instead of downstairs this time. And we keep going. I'm guessing this room would be this bathroom because everybody else has their own bathroom. So that's the bathroom, and then this will be this room, and a little medium-sized walk-in closet. All right, you guys.
We're going to Orlando. Look at mom. Because I have
Y'all, we excited
for Kissimmee.
I'm so excited.
You what, Matt?
I'm
So
so
if I go
excited.
back to Kissimmee,
You're so excited. Oh, let them
if I
see
go
your
back
new
to
hair, girl.
Orlando, go down to the precipitation and
Hey, Matt. Y'all, Mo just got a funnel cake, so we're waiting on that.
Can I get a funnel cake?
Well, you can share with Mama because you don't even know if you like it. Edison just got on her first big kid ride. How was it, Addie? How was it?
Good, so good.
Y'all, I forgot what the name of this ride is, but I'll link it. But Addison did it.
Stingrays.
Yeah, it was like a stingray ride.
Yeah, stingray.
Okay, now we heading to the next ride, right?
Yeah, and now we're in the gift shop.
Oh wait, look, here go the pictures. Hold on, Matt. Let Mama find it.
there we go, right there.
Hold on, Matt. Let me see. Let me see our faces. Oh, look at it. Face your daddy. Better get on down. Water ride.
We're soaking wet.
Yeah, we are about to be wet. But it's alright because we can dry off. It's so hot out here. So y'all can see me now. I'm walking towards this ride. Excuse my voice because I've been screaming. So we about to get on this ride called the Piping. The surf coaster. Piping surf coaster. The Pipeline. The Pipeline surf coaster. If I'm not mistaken, this is the newest ride because last time we came, they was already building this. And this ride is a stand-up ride. So I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. So this whole blue thing, excuse me, is the ride, y'all. Alright, I'm actually about to go because I'm tired of holding the camera. It's literally over 100 degrees. And after these 2 rides, I'm ready to go. Products that I have. Ears. Whiskers, triplets.
Buddy? Yes, Mater? Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or 3. That's right.
We eating, y'all. We had to stop, take a little break. Girl, shut up and eat before we miss this. Oh! Alright, right this way, folks. Right this way. I got it. Come, sit down. Whoa! Shoot, Addie! Shoot! Come on, get the point, girl. Let's go! You like this?
Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara.
With the Russia.